Hey, Isas.
Hey Stella, how you doing?
I'm good. How are
I'm
you?
all right. Thank you.
Amazing. Like you were with me yesterday
Yeah,
at the open house, and you're again here with me on this beautiful Sunday.
yeah.
What do you think?
I think this traffic is increasing. People are
Hmm.
coming in to see the properties now. Interests are dropping, as you already know. So I think that is a main cause of the traffic coming in, right?
Yes, yes,
And
definitely.
also, like the property value improved a little bit over here,
Of
right?
course.
So that is also driving a lot of traffic towards the house as well.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
exactly right. And we
Yeah.
also have a price improvement by $20,000, which
Yes.
makes this the lowest listed home for sale in this
And
amazing
this
neighborhood.
area,
So
yes.
definitely more interest. I hear people are coming specifically look at this listing on the
Yes.
weekend, so which is amazing.
Of course, great news, right?
Yeah,
Yeah. So I
yeah.
hope you sell it very soon.
I
Okay.
hope.
It won't stay long, guys. It's a beautiful
Yeah.
house as well. So
Yeah, a lot of interesting conversations, a lot
yes,
of interesting connections. So if you're in the market looking for that perfect home in the perfect location, come see us today from
you
2 to
guys
4 p.m.
come
at
down.
27 Applewood Lane,
Mhm.
unit number 254. We look
Yeah.
forward to seeing you here.
Take care, guys.